Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so before I share with you guys the strategy I use in taking this entry, all right, as you can see, I'm in massive profit right now. All right, before I share with you this strategy, I want to quickly tell you guys about another strategy, a boom and crash strategy. All right, it's a VIP strategy, and you can use this particular strategy to grow a $5 account. Okay, this boom and crash strategy I'm talking about is a strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. All right, so long as you can use the strategy to open a position on boom and crash, you will be able to grow that account. Okay, so if you are interested and you want this strategy, check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact. Okay, so make sure you message me directly on WhatsApp and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so without out of the way, I'm going to quickly share with you guys this strategy right now. All right, the setup and how I was able to take my entry and my reason for doing that. Okay, so as you can see right here, we are on the 15-minute time frame. All right, before I took this entry, I went to the higher time frame on the daily time frame to do my analysis. Right now, as you can see right here, first thing I did was that I first of all identified the trend of the market. So as you can see from here, we are in a downtrend. All right, so I observed that price broke above this trend line, went up, and then it's now coming back for a retest. Okay, so that retest, now I know that if it gets to this level, all right, I know that there was a level of support and resistance here, a strong one, that is going to maybe bounce price to the upside. All right, so that was why I marked this zone here. All right, so and the second thing I did was that I marked this trend line also right here, so that whenever price comes down here and break above it, I'll be looking for my buy entry. All right, so now let's step down to the 4 hours time frame, because I took this entry on the 4 hours time frame. All right, so here on the 4 hours time frame, price broke above the trend line. All right, you can see it broke and closed above the trend line. All right, so you can see this upward move here. Price went up, came down for a retest. So when it went up, when it was around this area, I didn't want to take my entry around this area, so I marked out this support and resistance zone here. All right, so my initial plan was that if it comes for a retest around this area here, I'll take my buy. All right, but unfortunately, when it got to that area, I was not I was busy, so I missed the opportunity of buying around this area here. Okay, so what I did was that I just bought around this area, because I know that price, if you observe from the daily time frame, you are going to see that this is where price is heading. It's going to go there. All right, so I just like bought around that area because I was confident enough that price is going to get to that level. Okay, but one needs to be careful, so that's why I didn't target for that area. All right, I just target for this area. All right, as you can see, I opened multiple position. Okay, I opened like 3 position on this trade. Okay, but one of them I did not set TP. Okay, I did not set the TP, so that one I'm going to leave in it. I'm going to be leaving it to run till this area. All right, while the rest of the 2 will hit my TP here, and I will book in that profit. So that is the plan I have for this trade currently. It's going to be a long term trade. All right, but as you can see right now, it's heading to my TP already. Okay, so I just say that I should quickly share this information with you guys so that you know how to go about your own trading. Okay, how to do your analysis. Okay, as you can see, this is just a simple analysis. I did, and as you can see, price is going my direction. All right, so that's it. And I know I didn't set any stop loss here because me looking at the chart, I already know where to place my stop loss, and I'm going to be doing it manually if price is going against me. Okay, but there are times that price will go against you, take out your stop loss, and then start going your direction. Okay, that's why I didn't place a stop loss here, because the entry I didn't enter where I'm supposed to enter, so I just left it like this. So I'll be monitoring the trade, and then I will close my trade manually. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. Okay, so that is it, guys, for today's video. I said I should just like quickly share this with you guys. Okay, so make sure you subscribe if you're a new viewer. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, tomorrow I'll be posting a very good boom and crash strategy. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and you will not be missing this strategy. All right, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.